You showed up, and that already changes your day. If your back feels locked, your neck stiff, and your energy still asleep, this is your reset. In 5 minutes, we're going to unlock your spine, boost blood flow, and loosen every joint top to toe. And one stretch in here, it's going to wake up your entire system. Let's hit the mat. Have you ever stood up and felt like your back needed to crack? That tight pull down your spine isn't just stiffness, it's stagnation. This move is about release. It's about letting go of the tension you've been gripping for hours, even in your sleep. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, hinge at your hips and let your arms hang. Slight bend in the knees is fine. Let your head be heavy, chin to chest. Do you feel your lower back decompressing yet? If not, gently sway side to side and breathe deeper into the legs. Here's a surprising fact. Forward folds increase blood flow to your brain, which boosts alertness and energy. This isn't just a stretch, it's a jump start. Try holding for 5 more seconds without tensing your neck. That just unlocked your back. Now let's open up the sides. Now that your spine is loose vertically, let's stretch it sideways. Most people skip lateral movement, but here's the truth. Without it, you stay tight and compressed. With it, your lungs expand, your waist elongates, and your entire posture lifts. Reach your right arm up and over to the left. Left arm slides down your side. Keep your hips grounded. Feel the stretch all along your rib cage. Can't reach? Place your hand on your hip and just tilt. Did you know side bend actually massages your internal organs, which aids digestion, perfect first thing in the morning? Do you feel your ribs opening? If not, slow your breath down and sink deeper. Can you keep your chest open instead of folding forward? That just stretched the sides. Next, we hit your shoulders. This is where tension likes to hide. If you've been holding stress, scrolling late, or clenching in your sleep, you'll feel this. Bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to hug it in. Drop your shoulder away from your ear. Hold and breathe. Beginners, keep the elbow soft. Advanced stretches, straighten the arm and pull closer to your chest. What most people don't know is that this move also stretches your upper traps, key to relieving tension headaches. Still feel tight? Try rotating your thumb up slightly and hold for 5 seconds longer. Can you relax your jaw while holding the stretch? That just unlocked your shoulders. Now let's wake up your wrists and ankles. These two are often forgotten, but they carry your weight and your work. Start with wrist rolls, outward, then inward. Then shift to ankle rolls, 1 foot at a time. Move slowly with intention. Breathe deep and stay grounded. Did you know that rolling these joints stimulates nerve endings connected to your spine and brain? That means better balance, sharper focus. Do you feel any clinks or stiffness? That's your body saying thank you. Keep your shoulders down and core lightly engaged while rolling both wrists and ankles. That just activated your nervous system. Now let's release your neck. This move closes the loop. All your movement starts at the base of your skull, and this resets it. Drop your chin to your chest. Slowly roll your head in one direction. After 30 seconds, switch directions. Keep your shoulders relaxed and jaw soft. Beginners make small circles. Advanced stretches let the head move in its full arc. Gentle neck rolls stimulate the vagus nerve, which helps regulate stress, mood, and even digestion. Can you feel the tension melting out of your neck? If not, breathe slower. Let gravity help. Try slowing down each circle. Slower equals deeper release. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survivor mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.